Are your WhatsApp photos not appearing in your gallery? This is common problem. But the good news is that it can usually fix the few simple steps. First, open your WhatsApp app and tap three dots in the top right corner. Go to Settings. Click Chats. Make sure media visibility is turned on. This allows WhatsApp photos and videos to appear in your gallery app. Next, open your phone's gallery or photos and check if WhatsApp image folder is hidden. If it is, unhide the folder so your photos become visible again. You should also make sure your WhatsApp permission to access your phone and files. Long press WhatsApp, then click App Info, then click Permission and allow access to photos and videos or file and media depending on your phone version. If the problem continues, restart your phone and update both WhatsApp and your gallery app from your Google Play Store. Hope you understand. I have a request. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and stay with us. Thanks for watching.